today I have another hair topper that I wanted to share with you guys by UniWig. Now this hair topper is going to be very unique, very different, and I feel like it's designed specifically with me in mind. So before I show you what the hair topper actually looks like, I just want to talk about my personal hair loss a little bit, because then the hair topper will make sense. So I have scarring alopecia, which is also known as androgenetical hair loss. It's a female hair loss. So basically I've lost my hair starting at my hairline. So as you can see, I still have enough hair in the back, but where I have my headband is where I've lost hair. That is why we have the basically like hairline topper. This is the front. It's a bang, and it basically is going to cover my hairline where I have lost my hair. Let's take off my hairband. Remember, I've lost all my hair there, so it is a little bit of a jump scare. So here is what I was saying. As you can see, I've lost a good chunk of my hair on the top of my scalp around my hairline. That is why this is going to be perfect for me. So first thing I'm gonna do is put my hair in a clip, because this comes with a halo wire that you're going to put around, basically kind of like a headband. So we're gonna take it. You know what, let me tighten it first because it's already loose. So if your halo wire is loose, all you're gonna do is take this little piece right here and pull it out a little bit. And then I'm gonna hold this just so I don't accidentally pull it out. And then just go ahead and pull to tighten. Okay. And then hold on to the end and pull it back down. See? Easy peasy. Now let me see if I need to tighten it a little bit more. That's good for now. Just to show you guys. So it does have those silicone patches. I'm just gonna place it like, where do I want it? Right there with my middle part. And then we're gonna let my natural bio hair down. Now this we're gonna trim. This extra lace here, we're gonna trim that back. But let me just show you for now. No, this is right out the box. I haven't even styled it yet or anything. My hair needs to just be straightened a little bit more. There we have it. Like I said, I need to trim this. I just wanted to show you. So let me go ahead and trim that, and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I went ahead and trimmed the lace. Now let's comb it and blend it. This was the excess lace that came off. Hold on, I have to like straighten my hair a little bit so you guys can really see how well this blends together. So I just went and quickly just blow dried my hair with the UniWig, and I just like lightly blow dried the front right here just because it was a little bent from being in the box, but nothing crazy. Tell me this doesn't look so natural. Like, what? Look at it, look. I always like to wear my hair up in a clip just because I get overstimulated with my hair in my face. And look, how stinking cute. Put some pieces down. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, I love it so much. Let's take a look at the back. You can't really see the little halo wire either. It's back here at the bottom of my hair, but you can't even really see it. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is how I love to wear my hair anyways. I'm not really a hair down kind of girl. So this, perfect. Oh my God, I can't stop looking at it. Now let me just show you. I don't know if I showed this, I mentioned it, but there is these silicone patches here that kind of like stick, and that's what helps it to not move. I love it. I just love it so much. This was so quick and easy to put on. Seriously, no time. All you have to do is just adjust that halo wire to the size of your head, and bam, you're ready to go. I really hope you guys found this video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.